Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable windows close automatically after vehicle locking on your XPeng vehicle. So first, open up your car settings. So if you don't have them at the bottom, the car icon, go to your app list and go to settings. From here, what you guys want to do is go over, open up window and door, and scroll down a little until you guys see close windows automatically after vehicle locking in the window section. Here, we're gonna go over, we can turn it off, and we can turn it on just by tapping on our switch. So now our windows will automatically lock after we lock the vehicle, and that's basically how you guys can do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.